Welcome to the delightful world of mixology with a pomegranate martini recipe that is both refreshing and festive. This cocktail is perfect for holiday celebrations or special gatherings. To create this exquisite drink, gather the following ingredients: 2 ounces of pomegranate juice, 1.5 ounces of vodka, 0.5 ounces of orange liqueur, such as Cointreau, and a splash of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Begin by combining the vodka, orange liqueur, pomegranate juice, and lemon juice in a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Shake vigorously for approximately 20 seconds to ensure the mixture is well chilled. Prepare your martini glasses by dipping the rims in water and rolling them in gold sugar for an elegant touch. Pour the chilled cocktail into the glasses and garnish with pomegranate seeds and a sprig of rosemary. This pomegranate martini offers a delightful twist on classic cocktails, impressing guests with its vibrant flavors and stunning presentation. Enjoy responsibly. Introducing the pomegranate martini with Pama, an exquisite cocktail ideal for festive occasions. This delightful drink combines 1.5 ounces of vodka, 0.5 ounces of Pama pomegranate liqueur, and 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. Shaken with ice, it is then strained into a chilled martini glass. For an elegant touch, garnish with a sprig of rosemary and a few pomegranate seeds. This sweet tart concoction offers a sophisticated twist on the classic cosmopolitan, perfect for holiday celebrations.